Welcome to Learn English with Movies. In this lesson, we'll talk about the movie Forrest Gump. This is a famous American film that tells the story of a simple man with a kind heart. Forrest may not be very smart, but he has strong values. His honesty, love, and courage take him on many adventures. We will explain the story in easy English. You'll also learn useful words and phrases. The movie starts with a feather floating in the sky. It lands near Forrest Gump, who is sitting on a bench. He is holding a box of chocolates and talking to strangers. He says, "Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get." This means life is full of surprises. It sets the tone for the whole story. Forrest begins to tell his life story. He was born in Alabama and raised by a loving mother. As a child, he wore leg braces and walked awkwardly. Other kids made fun of him, but his mother always supported him. She told him, "You're no different than anybody else." Her love gave him strength and courage. One day, some boys tried to hurt Forrest. Jenny, his best friend, told him to "Run, Forrest, run." And he did. He ran so fast that his leg braces broke. From then on, he could run better than anyone else. This moment shows how Forrest overcame his weakness. Running became a big part of his life. Forrest went to school and later to college because of his running. He got a scholarship to play football. He wasn't very smart, but he followed instructions well. People noticed his hard work and honesty. Forrest met many important people, even the president. His simple ways made him special. After college, Forrest joined the U.S. Army. There he met Bubba, a kind man who loved shrimp. They became best friends and dreamed of starting a shrimp business. Forrest also met Lieutenant Dan, a serious and strong leader. Forrest always listened, followed orders, and never gave up. He became a good soldier. During the Vietnam War, Forrest saved many of his fellow soldiers. He even carried Lieutenant Dan out of danger. Bubba died in the war, and Forrest felt very sad. He was given a medal for bravery. Lieutenant Dan lost his legs and felt hopeless. But Forrest stayed by his side, always trying to help. When Forrest left the army, he started a shrimp business to honor Bubba. He worked hard and became very rich. He gave money to Bubba's family and others in need. He even gave money to churches and schools. Forrest never cared about money. He only wanted to do what was right. Meanwhile, Forrest kept thinking about Jenny. She was his childhood friend and the love of his life. Jenny had a troubled life and made many bad choices. But Forrest always loved her. Sometimes she would come to visit, then leave again. Forrest never stopped caring about her. One day, Jenny returned and introduced Forrest to their son. Forrest was surprised and happy to know he had a child. They spent time together as a family. Jenny was sick, and Forrest took care of her. They got married before she passed away. It was a sad but peaceful time. Forrest stayed strong for his son. At the end of the movie, Forrest is with his young son. He takes him to school and watches him get on the bus. A feather floats again, just like at the beginning. This reminds us that life keeps going. Forrest's story shows the beauty of love, loyalty, and simple honesty. This movie teaches many lessons. Forrest teaches us that it's okay to be different. He shows that kindness and hard work matter more than intelligence. He teaches us to keep going, even when life is hard. We learn about friendship, love, and not giving up. These are important life lessons. Now let's learn some vocabulary. The first word is braces. These are special supports worn on the legs to help walking. Forrest wore braces as a child. The next word is medal. A medal is a prize or award for being brave. Forrest got a medal in the army. Say the words aloud slowly. Next, we have shrimp. A shrimp is a small sea animal. Forrest and Bubba wanted to sell shrimp. Another word is loyal. To be loyal means to always support someone. Forrest was loyal to Jenny and his friends. Run is also an important word in this movie. Forrest was known for running. We also learn the word brave. Being brave means facing danger without fear. Forrest was brave in the war. Business is another key word. A business is a company that sells goods or services. Forrest started a shrimp business. These words help explain the story better. Let's use these words in simple sentences. Forrest wore braces on his legs. He won a medal in the war. He started a shrimp business. Forrest was loyal to his friends. He was very brave. Repeat these sentences out loud. Use them in your daily speaking practice. Now let's learn some useful phrases from the movie. The most famous line is, "Life is like a box of chocolates." It means life is full of surprises. Another one is, "Run, Forrest, run." It shows how Forrest never gave up. These phrases are easy to remember and fun to say. Practice saying, "Life is like a box of chocolates." Run, Forrest, run. Say each one clearly and slowly. Try to use them in your life. If you face a problem, remind yourself to keep running like Forrest. These phrases can help motivate you when things get hard. Now let's try a short quiz. What does shrimp mean? A. A fruit. B. A small sea animal. C. A bird. The answer is B. What does brave mean? A. Afraid. B. Honest. C. Not afraid of danger. The answer is C. What does medal mean? A. A toy. B. A prize. C. A song. The answer is B. Why is loyal important in this story? Because Forrest never left his friends. He stayed true to Jenny, Bubba, and Lieutenant Dan. Why is business important? Because Forrest made a promise to Bubba and kept it. These words show Forrest's good heart and actions. To learn more English, watch Forrest Gump with subtitles. Read and listen at the same time. Write down new words and look them up. Try to speak some lines from the movie. This helps improve your listening and speaking skills. Use Forrest's story to practice every day. Make a list of simple words: run, friend, love, war, life. Write short sentences with them. For example, Forrest runs fast. He loves Jenny. He was a soldier. Repeating these will help you remember them. Practice writing them in a small notebook. Try role-playing with a friend. One person can be Forrest, and the other can be Jenny or Lieutenant Dan. Speak short dialogues from the movie. You can also act out your own simple scenes using the vocabulary. This builds speaking confidence and fluency. Also try writing a short story like Forrest's. Keep it simple. For example, I was born in a small town. I had many dreams. I met good friends. I worked hard and stayed kind. Life surprised me. I never gave up. This helps you write in English using real movie ideas. Forrest Gump is a powerful movie. It shows that you don't need to be perfect to live a good life. Just be honest, kind, and never give up. These are values anyone can follow. You can learn a lot about English and life from this movie. If you enjoyed this video, watch our other videos too. You can learn with The Lion King, Titanic, and Shawshank Redemption. Each one has fun stories and new vocabulary. Watching movies is one of the best ways to learn real English in a natural way. Thank you for watching Learn English with Movies. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment with your favorite part of Forrest Gump. Also, tell us which movie you want next. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you in the next video.